vacuuming, something you may not be doing every day unless you live in my house and you're obsessive compulsive like me. But hey, look, doing it can become a very big repetitive stress as it strains your lower back. The reason for this is when you're just pushing back and forth with that one arm, your lower back muscles in the rotational process can be strained. So you got to change this up. First of all, don't reach out so far when you're doing the vacuuming. That'll help a lot. Another thing to do is make sure you change which hand you are using when you vacuum. This way, even though you're working out some of those muscles in the shoulder and lower back, you're not always working out the same muscles on the same side. Use these tips while vacuuming, and they'll go a long way to preventing lower back pain and shoulder pain while you do one of the things that we all have to do to keep our houses clean. If you enjoyed that video, let us know. Hit the like button below. If you'd like to see more videos like it, subscribe to our channel so you can get notifications the next time a video comes out. Videos like these guys. Now, if you don't see a video and would like to see it, make sure to let me know in the comment section below and I'll produce that video for you. Also, you can ask me questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.